Have you ever heard of AI images? This revolutionary technology is changing the game in many industries and creating tremendous earning opportunities for those who know how to leverage it. In this video, we'll explore the world of AI images and show you how to start making big money using it.
Have you ever wanted a portrait of yourself that looks just like you? Look no further, because Autoportrait.ai is here to make that dream a reality. This fantastic service uses artificial intelligence to generate unique portraits of a person from multiple photos of their face. All you have to do is upload a few clear pictures of your face and let the magic of AI do the rest. The AI takes anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours to train on your photos, but the results are truly stunning. The generated portraits are so lifelike, they look exactly like you. And the best part is the AI can generate an unlimited number of images in millions of stars, so that you can have a different picture for every mood and occasion. Autoportrait AI is also a secure service, so you can rest easy knowing that your payments are protected by Stripe and encrypted with SSL. And if privacy is a concern, you'll be happy to see that they have a strict privacy policy. To use Autoportrait AI, you'll need to buy credits. One image equals 1 credit, and you can buy 500 credits for one face training with artificial intelligence for one person. There's also a surprise package option, where you can get 50 images with random stars for a fun surprise. If you want even more portraits, you can buy 500 credits for up to 500 pictures or 1000 credits for up to 1000 pictures. And if you buy 1000 credits, you'll even save 10% in credits. That's 2 face training with artificial intelligence for 2 people and up to 1000 images. Autoportrait.ai is a game changer for people who want a unique and personalized portrait. It's not just about creating a digital image that looks like you. It's about having the ability to express yourself in new and creative ways. Whether you want to use your portrait for personal or professional purposes, Autoportrait AI has got you covered. The whole process is super simple and user-friendly. You must upload a few photos of yourself and the AI will do the rest. It's like magic. The AI uses these photos to create a digital version of you that can be customized in endless ways. You can choose from millions of presets and styles, or you can even create your custom style. And the best part? The AI is super smart, so it keeps learning and improving with every portrait it generates. So the more you use Autoportrait AI, the more personalized and unique your images will become. The guys behind Autoportrait AI, Zeke and Victor Timsit, have ensured that the service is secure and trustworthy. They have implemented industry-standard encryption methods to protect your data and payments, so you can rest easy knowing that your privacy and security are taken seriously. So what are you waiting for? Get creative and generate some portraits today. Whether you want to make a personalized gift for someone special or use it as your profile picture on social media, Autoportrait is the perfect solution. With its easy-to-use interface, millions of styles and presets, and secure payment system, you can go right. If you're tired of trying on endless suits in the store and want to see how you'd look without the hassle, Suit Me Up has got you covered. It's an AI-based tool that uses machine learning algorithms to create ultra-realistic pictures of you wearing a suit. And the best part, you don't even have to leave your house. Getting started is a breeze. Just upload 10 to 20 classic photos of yourself in PNG or JPG format and let the AI work the magic. And when we say classic, we mean it. You'll want to include close-ups, full-length shots, and everything in between for the best results. Once you've uploaded your photos, the AI works, generating 80 stunning pictures of you in a suit. And it only takes 25 to 45 minutes. The pictures you get can be used for any purpose, including your resume or Tinder profile. You'll be amazed at how realistic the pictures look. It's like you're actually wearing the suit. And if you're worried about privacy, don't be. The images you upload, the AI model, and the generated pictures are all deleted after 30 days. Suit Me Up was created by a French solopreneur, Alex, who used Astria, Firebase, Vue.js, and Bulma to bring the project to life. It's always great to support individual entrepreneurs, and Alex is no exception. You can find him on Twitter in English and LinkedIn in French, and his email address is available through the website. And the best part? Using the discount code SUITUP, you'll get 30% off the already low price of $19. That's a steal for 80 unique pictures of you looking like a dapper gentleman. If you still need convincing, let's talk about how customizable the whole process is. You can choose from various suit styles, from classic to modern, and even different colors to see which looks best on you. It's great to experiment with your style without committing to a purchase. Plus, you can use the generated pictures to see which type suits you best before investing in an actual suit. The generated pictures are also for great flexibility. You can use them for your LinkedIn profile, business cards, and your personal website. If you're an actor or model, you can use the generated pictures as part of your portfolio, showcasing your range in different suit styles. The possibilities are endless. But what if you're not looking for a suit? The good news is that Alex is already working on expanding the range of clothes you can try with the AI-based tools. So whether you're interested in seeing how you'd look in a tuxedo or a dress, you can do so soon. And who knows, you can mix and match different clothing items to create your unique style. And if you're worried about the AI-generated pictures looking fake or unrealistic, you can rest easy. The AI is trained on a large data set of human images and is constantly improving thanks to machine learning algorithms. The pictures it generates are ultra-realistic, down to folds in the fabric and the texture of the suit material. You'll be amazed at how authentic you look in the pictures. So why not give Suit Me Up a try? It's a fun and easy way to see how you'd look in a suit without the hassle of actually trying one on. Who knows, you might even find your perfect match on Tinder with your new and improved profile picture. So upload your photos, sit back and let the AI do the work. Have you heard of the new AI-based application called Omniverse Audio 2Face from NVIDIA? It's a game changer in 3D character animation, and I'm so excited to tell you about it. So what exactly is Audio 2Face? It's an application that simplifies the animation process for 3D characters, making it easy to match any voiceover or backstory. Whether you're an animator for a game, movie, or just for fun, Audio 2Face has got you covered. It can be used in real time for interactive applications, or as a traditional character creation tool. And the best part, the results can be run in real time or baked. It's up to you. Audio 2Face has many features that make it stand out from the rest. This application has got everything from meta-universe applications, data analytics, and healthcare to gaming, creative, and machine learning. With the latest update, the app now includes blending, shape conversion, and expert options, making it even more versatile and user-friendly. Now let me tell you how it works. All you have to do is record a soundtrack and enter it into the app. Then sit back and watch as your 3D face comes to life in real time. Yes, you heard that right. You can even create live animations using just your microphone. And the best part is, Audio 2Face is capable of processing any language, making it accessible to people from all around the world. But that's not all. Audio 2Face gives you the power to focus on any 3D human or face, whether realistic or stylized. With just a few clicks, you can even change characters on the fly, whether human or animal. And if you're working on a scene with multiple personalities, don't worry, Audio 2Face can easily handle that too. You can run multiple instances of the app with any number of characters and animate them, all from different soundtracks. And the last but not least, Audio 2Face gives you the ability to select and animate your character's emotions in a matter of seconds. The AI network automatically manipulates the movements of your face, eyes, mouth, tongue, and head to match the range of emotions you select in the intensity level you set. It's that simple. Download NVIDIA Omniverse and get started with Audio 2Face today. Once the installation is complete, just open the Omniverse launcher, locate Audio 2Face under Applications, click Install, then Run. Trust me, you won't regret it. The latest update of the Omniverse Audio 2Face app includes blend shape conversion and weight export options. You can now easily export and import from blend shapes for Blender and Epic Games Unreal Engine. You can even create character movements using the appropriate Omniverse connectors. So you're ready to bring your characters to life. In that case, all you need to do is download NVIDIA Omniverse, run the installation, open the Omniverse launcher, locate Omniverse Audio 2Face under Applications, click Install, and then run. With the Omniverse Audio 2Face app, you'll be able to create stunning 3D character animations that are sure to impress. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. Have you heard about the new AI tool creating similar photos to protect your identity? It's a pretty cool tool that uses advanced AI technology to help people protect their identities online. Here's how it works. You upload a clear photo of your face, and the AI generates a synthetic image that resembles your appearance while preserving your real identity. The AI is trained on Icon's 8 studio photos and uses StarGAN, developed by Keras.AI and NVIDIA, to create the synthetic images. This tool is not only efficient, but also secure. It processes the photos in RAM and stores them on your computer, so you don't have to worry about any personal data or pictures being saved or collected for future analysis. And the best part is that it's free for personal use, and licensed options are available for commercial use. The generated images can be used anywhere on the internet, but it's important to remember that they should not be used to impersonate someone or engage in illegal activities. Now, if you're interested in using this tool, here are a few things you should keep in mind. For best results, upload a clear photo of your face looking straight ahead. And if you want to take it a step further, you can collaborate with the generated photos for Headshot plugin to create realistic 3D heads from your photos. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about all the cool places the generated photos have been used. They've been used as avatars in SAP software, featured in exhibitions at the National Museum of New Science and Innovation, and even used as characters in video games like Beyond Humanity Colonies and Space Wreck. And if you're an art lover, you'll be happy to know that the generated photos have even been used as illustrations in a book called The Art of Illusion. The creativity and potential for these synthetic images are genuinely mind-blowing. But let's remember their primary purpose: protecting your identity online. In today's world, where so much of our personal information is shared and accessible through the internet, it's essential to take precautions to protect our identities. With this tool, you can have the peace of mind that your real identity is being kept private, while still giving others an idea of what you look like. The possibilities are truly endless with this AI tool. So if you want to protect your identity while still giving people an idea of what you look like, go ahead and give creating similar photos to protect your identity a try. Introducing Partly, a magical app that can take boring old portrait photos and turn them into over 200 stunning, unique works of art with the help of artificial intelligence. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips, creating custom art just for you. All you need to do is upload 10 to 50 of your favorite photos, and Partly will do the rest. It technologically takes your pictures and runs them through a series of machine learning and AI models to create a diverse set of customized art pieces that are unique to you. The results are truly breathtaking and perfect for sprucing up your home or giving as an individual and thoughtful gift. Right now, Partly offers a special introductory price of only $29, usually $49. This limited time deal is only available until the end of February 2023, so don't wait to take advantage of this fantastic opportunity. Transform your photos into incredible works of art and add fun and creativity to your life with Partly. Other thing that sets Partly apart from other photo editing apps is that it's not just a filter. The app uses artificial intelligence to interpret your photos and generate new pixels from scratch, like an artist painting a masterpiece just for you. The results are truly stunning, and you'll be amazed at the creativity and diversity of the art pieces produced by the app. Partly uses top-of-the-line video cards to ensure fast and reliable delivery. Your order should be delivered within 30 to 60 minutes, and you can check the estimated delivery time on the order page for a more accurate estimate. The app also offers customized packages for those who want to commission artwork to their specific preferences. Finally, Partly is a secure platform, and a comprehensive privacy policy and terms of use protect your data. The company takes your privacy seriously and is committed to handling your data with the utmost care and following all industry standards. Once your order is complete, your photos and AI model will be automatically deleted, and the resulting image will be available within 2 weeks for your convenience. So what are you waiting for? Give Partly a try today and experience the magic of AI-generated art.